Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to install Kdenlive on Linux. So at the beginning we will go on the official Kdenlive site and I will show you some ways to install it. And so Kdenlive install install for Linux or something like this. We can type. As you can see, we have the official Kdenlive site. We can press on that, and here we have download the latest version of Kdenlive. You have some options. For Linux, you can use AppImage and you can use Flatpak. If you don't know how to use Flatpak, for example, you can watch my video when I show you how to install Flatpak, and after your Flatpak will be installed, you can use something what we call Flathub, and from Flathub you can basically install the Kdenlive. But in this video I will show you how to install it directly from terminal, because maybe at the beginning I will show you how to check if your Kdenlive is installed. You can check it by typing in Kdenlive ---- version like this. As you can see, for me it is not installed, and right now we can use system repositories to install Kdenlive, because on the Ubuntu we can use command sudo apt install and Kdenlive. This command works on Ubuntu and Debian, I'm 100% sure, because you have to use apt install. If you're using, for example, Fedora, you have to use sudo dnf install. If you are using some different distributions, you can have to use your own command that is attached to your system, and you are using it for installing things. So I can press enter and type in my password. Do you want to continue? Yes. And right now we have to wait a bit, and I will show you, I think, two ways of how you can install or open Kdenlive on Linux, because we are installing it. After the installation we will have to open Kdenlive. That installation can take, I think, around 3 minutes, 4 minutes, I don't know. It depends on your computer and your connection speed. But right now I think I will stop the video and I will go back to you after the installation will be finished, and I will show you how to open Kdenlive. So as you can see, my installation is almost at the finish, and right now it's 99%. And it is finished. And you have two ways to open Kdenlive. The first one is, I think, by pressing on this icon right there. You can press on it and run it like this. As you can see, our Kdenlive is working. This is a program that we use to edit videos. And the second way is by typing in Kdenlive and pressing enter. And right now, as you can see, our Kdenlive is also working. So this is how you can install Kdenlive on Linux. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.